Hey guys, welcome to the workshop. Today is a little bit a downer right now. My drill right now, so stay tuned and see what goes on with this video.
Self-destruct sequence activated.
Hey guys, welcome to the workshop. Josh here, bringing you another video for you guys today. I'm actually shooting two videos right now. I'm actually shooting one for the battery, which you guys actually already saw, and I'm shooting this one right now. So I don't know which one I'm gonna be uploading right first. I'll probably upload the battery first, but here is what has been going on. My drill that I happen to have for the next 7 years went gone. The battery was fully charged, but the motor, however, decided to smoke and decided to almost catch fire. So I had to immediately take the battery out and take the drill part out, and basically you could tell this one here has been used and beaten up a lot. But the reason why that this right here is very emotional to me, because I had this ever since 7 years. I had this ever since 2015. It's been with me through a whole bunch of projects, and also with these right here, you can easily connect. Let me get like the saw. Connect the saw. You have a saw. Or if you don't want that, you want a jigsaw, you can have a jigsaw. Now, the reason why that this here looks new and that one looks like it's been beaten to crap, because this one is brand new. I managed to find one that I happened just recently got yesterday, and it's a real nice drill, I tell you what. So here is the drill right here that I got. And here is the part that goes on. And sure enough, it actually came with a couple other things. It basically came with a jigsaw part. It came with a sander, a new sander, because that's basically, I needed a new sander. And also a router, I think this is for like a hammer, I think, or a torque one. I can't exactly. There is. I think this is for like to work on cars or whatever, like a hammer drill or something. I'm not for sure. And then there's this one right here, which basically I really need this part. This part is awesome because this is very awesome. I'm very glad I actually have one for my connection. I was going to get one, and I just happened to order a bonus one. I ordered a air pump one, so now I don't need a foot pump or a hand pump no more. So that's great. And also, the best thing of all, it's actually a 20 volt, which that's what I really like. I like more power anyway. So now you're probably thinking, well, Josh, you only got one. Not exactly. I ordered two extras. So I actually thought a little bit of ahead of that one right there. So I'm actually real glad that I kind of got this right here. I mean, this is what it actually came in. Yeah, it actually came in that. So, now, after I got this, and I even got me a bag to put it all in, because I kind of like to have everything in one bag. So that's great. Um, but yeah, I'm really glad that I got this right here. Now, I bought this from, give you guys a closer look right now. I kind of bought this for $130 some odd dollars. That's with the bag. Well, actually, this right here was 130, and then I added this part and this and those two, and that cost about like $300. But I mean, it's worth it. I mean, I needed a new one anyway. That one actually caught fire almost, which sad moment. I mean, I had that drill for over a long time, and it's my first nice drill I actually had. And then now, but I do manage to got this one. So, well, I hope you guys liked the video, and I will be using this right here for future projects, and I hope you guys will enjoy it. I will happen to test this out in another video. And all the rest of these will be for future projects. So I hope you guys liked the video. And don't forget to hit subscribe if you haven't already. Oh, this man, it does come with a charger. But this I don't like. I got another one that's gonna be coming. That's gonna be a docking, which that's fine with me because I really do not like that one. So yeah. So I hope you guys liked that video, and don't forget to hit subscribe and smash that like button, and also hit subscribe, and also don't forget to hit the notification. So I hope you guys liked the video. Take care of you guys, and see you later.